नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी सोनी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम्योपैथिक रेपर्टरी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. This is digital version 2.0. Today's our topic is clinical repertory introduction. क्लिनिकल रिपर्टरीज हमने हमारे क्लासिफिकेशन में सबसे पहले पढ़ा है रिपर्टरीज, दीज आर डिपेंड अपॉन द फिलोसॉफी. सेकंड पढ़ा है रिपर्टरी दोज हैव नो फिलोसॉफी. थर्ड हमारा है क्लिनिकल रिपर्टरी और फोर्थ आता है मॉडर्न, देन कार्ड एंड कंप्यूटर रिपर्टरी. सो नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द क्लिनिकल रिपर्टरी इंट्रोडक्शन. So the what is clinical repertory? Those repertories which containing only clinical symptoms or the conditions and corresponding group of medicines. They facilitate the selection of a remedy on the basis of the pathological similarity, causation, modalities and concomitant. They are not commonly used for the purpose of repertorization. मतलब कि जो clinical conditions होती हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं डायबिटीज मेलाइटस लेती हूँ तो ये एक हमारा डायग्नोज्ड एक पर्टिकुलर टर्म है. तो डायबिटीज मेलाइटस की जितने भी मेडिसिन होंगे वो इस रिपर्टरी में अलोंग विद डायबिटीज मेलाइटस रूब्रिक आपको सारे के सारे मेडिसिन इसमें मिलेंगे. इसके अलावा कुछ पैथोलॉजिकल सिमिलैरिटीज होती हैं, उनके भी इसमें रूब्रिक मिलते हैं. कुछ कॉजेशंस होते हैं, उनसे रिलेटेड जो हमारे क्लिनिकल टर्म्स हैं उनसे रिलेटेड कॉजेशन होते हैं, उनसे रिलेटेड मोडालिटी, concomitant symptoms वो भी इसमें commonly आपको मिलते हैं. However, these repertories can be used for the cases where the clinical condition mask the characteristics of the patient. In such cases, the physician find the prominent common symptoms with a few modalities and concomitants. These cases need the help of clinical repertories for selecting the simillimum. ये रिपर्टरी सबसे पहले तो हमें अगर कोई डायग्नोज्ड केस आता है तो उसके लिए हेल्पफुल होती हैं. अगर हमें क्विक प्रिस्क्रिप्शन करना है तो वहाँ भी ये हेल्पफुल होती हैं. अगर हमें कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है और हमें पता है कि ये कौन सी डिसीज से पेशेंट सफ़र कर रहा है तो तुरंत हमें मेडिसिन देने के लिए क्लिनिकल रिपर्टरीज बहुत ज़्यादा यूजफुल होती है. What is the origin of the concept of clinical repertories? In spite of emphasis on individualization and prescription based on characteristic expression, the emergence on clinical repertories could not be prevented in homeopathic practice. As early as Hahnemann times, the grouping of medicines according to the name of the disease, though discouraged by many stalwart, gave birth to clinical repertory. The greatest modern exponent of this practice is the late Dr. J. Crompton Burnett, who has brought once more to light the vast therapeutic treasures which had been forgotten in the work of our great masters. The use of nosological correspondence is one method by means of which a similar, if not the most similar remedy may be discovered. All ways of finding indications are opening to practitioners, and the clinical avenue is one of them. Dr. J.H. Clark has described it like this: certain diseases come to have certain remedies assigned to them, and all patients who are found to be suffering from any given disease must be dosed with one of remedies credited to it. Hahnemann's was certainly not happy with such kind of practice. He described it as treating the names of the disease with names of therapeutic action. Such a kind of practice was much favored by Crompton Burnett, and he expresses it as the fact we need any and every way of finding the right remedy. The simple similar, the simple symptomatic simillimum, and the furthest reach of all the pathological simillimum, and I maintain that we are still within the lines of homeopathic, that is an expensive progressive science. As early as in 1869, Bell's diarrhea, and 1873, Barrage's eye, two very useful clinical regional repertories were published. Though the concept of such practice was conceived by Burnett, he could not compile a separate repertory for that purpose, and hence the credit of authoring the first clinical repertory goes to J.H. Clark. There are many clinical repertories available these days, but two of them are well known. First is the General Clinical Repertory by Dr. J. H. Clark and the Materia Medica with Repertory by W. O. E. Boric. W. Boric and O. E. Boric. There are many useful regional repertories which are helpful to practitioner to find out the similar remedy. This is my topic. Clinical repertory is completed. This is the introduction of the clinical repertory. So hope you are understand with my topic. If you have any query, so please mention in the comment box. Thank you.